Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster for Windows 10, 8, and 7. Okay, first thing we're going to do is go to the search and type in control panel. We're going to open that up. All right, then we want to make sure that the view by is on category, and then we're going to go to network and internet, then click on network and sharing. All right, this should be showing your internet. Now I'm on Ethernet, but you're on Wi-Fi, so yours would be a Wi-Fi signal. You're gonna click on that once, then you're gonna click on properties when that dialog box come up. Now you're gonna go over to the configure button. It's gonna pop up this window. You wanna go to power management, and you wanna uncheck this box to say allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. So you wanna uncheck that. Next, you wanna go to advanced, and you're going to be looking for something called roaming aggressiveness. Now, for this example, I do not have one because this is not a laptop, but you should. If you're using a laptop, it will say roaming aggressiveness. And then when you do find it, you go over to this area right here and you select enabled. Now, once you actually select enabled, you can put the value between 1 and 5. I recommend the value being 1. Next, you go look for something inside of this property area called thoughtful throughput value. You'll see it over here on this side of the screen. I don't have it in this example because I'm using an actual computer, not a laptop. You would also select that, and you would go over here and select disable that value, the thoughtful throughput booster. Also on this screen, you're going to look for something that's named fat channel intolerant. Select it and put it as enabled. After you made all of those changes, you want to click on OK. So this is definitely some stuff that you want to take your time and listen carefully to this video when you do it. If you can, back up your computer before doing this, for you can actually restore it at a restore point. Another thing that's good is, as we went through these different properties, maybe get a notepad out and write down what the values were before you changed them, just in case you need to change them back. I hope this helps. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.